Welcome back to Dinar Current, your trusted hub for real-time updates and in-depth perspectives on the ever-changing world of the Iraqi dinar. The conversation around the dinar has now moved into a brand new stage, no longer based on speculation or rumors, but backed by concrete evidence and official movement. The landscape of global currency revaluations is shifting rapidly, and the Iraqi dinar is now a central piece of that transformation. Whether you've been following this journey for years or are just joining the discussion, our mission is to deliver accurate, timely, and trustworthy insights so you are fully informed and ready to act. In recent weeks, there's been a sharp rise in credible communications and insider briefings indicating that true, measurable changes are unfolding right now. For years, the Dinar Revaluation (RV) has been surrounded by whispers and uncertainty, but what we're seeing today is no longer theory. Multiple sources across the U.S. financial sector and Middle Eastern institutions have confirmed the process has officially begun. This isn't recycled chatter from online forums. These are verifiable reports, drawn from internal memos, first-hand testimony, and private channels tied directly to ongoing operations. The conclusion is unmistakable: the RV is underway. That means Iraqi dinar holders must stop waiting and start preparing. The question is no longer if, but how to legally and efficiently take part. The appointment system, your first step. Internal documentation from Tier 1 banks in the US, Canada, and parts of Europe reveals that the revaluation's first phase will be carried out strictly by appointment only. No walk-ins, no exceptions. This controlled approach ensures global compliance, prevents fraud, and allows banks to process what could be one of the largest high-value redemption events in modern history. Only individuals who secure an appointment through approved channels will be allowed to proceed. In fact, banks have already launched a test mode of this system, quietly training staff, checking technology, and ensuring airtight security. Employees involved have signed confidentiality agreements, underscoring how sensitive this process really is. If you're holding Iraqi dinar, your first responsibility is to be fully organized. That means, your notes should be intact, neatly stored, and ready for inspection. Proof of purchase receipts, invoices, or dealer confirmations should be gathered. Even if your purchase was years ago, collect what you can. Strict fraud prevention measures will be in play. Disorganization could cost you your place in the exchange process. Which banks are involved? Not every bank will participate. Only select institutions, authorized through coordination between the U.S. Treasury, the Central Bank of Iraq, and other regulators, will be handling redemptions. Major players expected to be involved include Wells Fargo, Bank of America, J.P. Morgan Chase, HSBC, TD Bank, and a handful of regional banks. Exchanges will not happen at normal branch counters but inside secure private redemption centers. Access will be granted via a secure online portal that will go live immediately after the official public RV announcement. Preparing for the portal. When the system activates, you'll need to provide full legal name and updated contact details, a government-issued photo ID scan, a sample serial number from one of your dinar notes, the total amount of dinar you hold, your banking details for deposit purposes. Your submission will be encrypted, reviewed, and either approved or flagged for more details. If accepted, you'll receive a unique confirmation code, QR code or alphanumeric. Without this, you won't be admitted to the redemption site. No exceptions. Treat this code like gold. Print it, back it up, and keep it secure. The exchange appointment. On your scheduled day, you'll check in at the designated redemption location, where your ID and confirmation code will be verified. After security clearance, a bank officer will authenticate your dinar and present you with exchange options. Choices may include a full cash out at market value, structured payout arrangements with installments and potential interest, placement into tax-advantaged trusts. The right decision depends on your financial goals, so consulting with tax and legal experts beforehand is strongly recommended. For holders outside the US, in Canada, the UK, Australia, or the Middle East, the process will mirror the US structure. Banks such as HSBC and Standard Chartered are preparing redemption sites in Toronto, London, Sydney, and Dubai. In Iraq, the central bank will manage directly using simplified ID-based verification. Avoiding pitfalls. Do not attempt to exchange via black markets or unauthorized channels, these will not be honored. Do not expect service at a walk-in branch, only booked appointments will be accepted. Do not trust unofficial links, emails, or social media portals promising early access. What happens after exchange? Once complete, you'll receive a transaction summary, confirmation of your exchange rate, deposit verification paperwork, any relevant trust structured payout documents. Store both digital and physical copies securely. Then, immediately seek advice from licensed financial professionals to create a long-term wealth management plan. Final checklist. Checkmark confirm your dinar notes are authentic and intact. Checkmark gather receipts or proof of purchase. Checkmark watch for the official RV announcement. Checkmark register promptly via the secure portal. Checkmark provide accurate ID and currency details. Checkmark select the right exchange option for your goals. Checkmark safely store all post-exchange records. Checkmark begin wealth planning with professional guidance. This moment has been long anticipated. The systems are live, confirmations are mounting, and the global framework is being prepared. When the announcement drops, the window to act will be short. Stay ready, stay informed, and move quickly. For many, this may be the opportunity of a lifetime.